Hey everyone, Chris here, and today I'm going to share with you 5 different types of digital products that you can build inside of Kajabi, even if you're on the basic plan, which has a limit of only 3 products. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal a little known trick to effectively create a 5th product. By the way, if you're interested in trying out Kajabi, use my special link below the video to get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within the first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features, and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you get that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. So here we are on the main dashboard. To see the main products available, we'll go to the Products tab. If you have any existing products, they'll appear here. But if you're starting from scratch, click on the New Product. You'll see 4 major options: Course, Podcast, Coaching Program, and Community. Let's break these down one by one, starting with the Course. Courses are a fantastic way to deliver structured content. You can create comprehensive courses featuring video and audio content, text lessons, quizzes, and surveys. There's also an option to include memberships and exclusive downloads. A really cool feature here is the ability to host live sessions for up to 200 people. To create a course, click on the Get Started. You'll be prompted to choose a name and provide a description into the title description box. Upload an image for your course, then select your pricing options. It can be a one-time payment, a subscription, or multiple payments. I recommend structuring your course offerings into a mini course and a full-length course, each with different price points. This way you can cater to a wider audience. Additionally, pairing your courses with a paid community can significantly enhance engagement and monetization. Be sure to use relevant keywords in your course titles and descriptions to improve searchability within Kajabi and on search engines. Now, let's look at the podcast. So Kajabi also allows you to create and host podcasts. These are free and paid versions available depending on your content strategy. This is perfect for building an audience and delivering regular content in an accessible format. To create a podcast, click on the Get Started, choose a name, and add a description. Upload your podcast cover image and select your pricing model. You can offer your podcast episodes for free or as part of a subscription model. An advantage of hosting your podcast on Kajabi is the ability to bundle it with other products, such as your courses or your coaching programs, to provide additional value. You can also use Kajabi's built-in email marketing tools to notify your audience whenever a new episode is available, helping you maintain engagement. Now, the coaching program. The coaching program is another powerful product. It includes calendar integration for scheduling, video and audio content, live video conferencing, shared notes, and exclusive downloads. You can fully customize your coaching packages by setting the number of sessions, price points, titles, and more. To create a coaching program, click on the Get Started. From here, you can tailor your program to fit your needs and the needs of your clients. You can decide if you want a single session or a package, and you can set the number of sessions, price points, and other details. Kajabi's coaching service also supports integrations with tools like Zoom for seamless video conferencing. This is particularly useful for delivering live coaching sessions. You can track client progress and manage your coaching schedule, all within Kajabi, making it a comprehensive solution for your coaching business. Now, let's talk about communities. There are options for both free and paid communities. The paid version is particularly useful if you're running a membership site. Community features include live videos, a mobile app for easy access, video recordings, engagement challenges, meetups, and post feeds similar to Facebook, but streamlined for your community. To set up a community, click Get Started, then name your community, and choose your pricing model. I suggest using a subscription model to provide ongoing value, typically billed monthly. Engagement is crucial for any online community. Utilize features like challenges and meetups to keep your members active and involved. This not only helps with retention, but also builds a stronger sense of community among your members. Now, let's talk about the 5th and secret product offers. Offers in Kajabi are essentially packages that you create to sell your digital products. These can include online courses, coaching programs, memberships, and more. The flexibility and customization options available with offers make it easier for you to tailor to your products to meet specific needs and preferences of your audience. Some key features of Kajabi are bundling and pricing, upsells and downsells, coupons and discounts, and checkout optimization. Let's break it down. Kajabi allows you to bundle multiple products into a single offer, which can be particularly appealing for customers looking for comprehensive solutions. You can set various pricing models, including one-time payments, subscription plans, free trials, and payment plans, giving your customers multiple options to access your content. Increase your revenue by offering upsells and downsells. After a customer makes a purchase, you can present them with additional products at a special price, enhancing their purchasing experience and boosting your sales. Create promotional campaigns using coupons and discounts. This is an excellent way to attract new customers, reward loyal ones, or clear out older inventory. The ability to automate these promotions ensures you can run effective campaigns with minimal manual effort. The checkout process is streamlined and customizable. You can add custom fields to gather specific information from your customers or personalize the checkout page to match your brand's aesthetics. This reduces cart abandonment and increases conversions. Integrate email marketing directly with your offers. You can automate emails to welcome new customers, follow up on abandoned carts, or cross-sell other products. This integration ensures a seamless customer journey from interest to purchase and beyond. Now, to create an offer, go to the Sales tab and click on New Offer. You can customize the checkout process, add custom fields, and integrate email automations to follow up with customers or send them additional content. Use upsells and downsells to maximize your revenue. For instance, offer a discount on a higher tier product right after a purchase. Offers can also include valuable downloads like ebooks. Set up automation so that once someone makes a purchase, they receive a customized thank you email with a download link. This ensures a smooth and professional experience for your customers. So those are the 5 digital products that you can create and sell on Kajabi, even with the basic plan. If you don't have a Kajabi account yet, remember to use my link to get a 30-day free trial, access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course, and my top-notch high-quality templates at no additional cost. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Happy creating, and I hope to see you all on the inside.